What's up, guys, and welcome to my first episode of You Suck at Producing Soca. Yes, you do. But that's okay. I'm here to help you guys. Alright, in my first episode, we're gonna take on chord progressions. So you ask, what is a chord progression? Chord progressions are a series of chords that you put together to form a song. Every single song has a progression, whether it be minor chords or major chords put together. But these things actually make up your song, and I'm going to show you the most popular chord progression in the world for every single genre, and how you can use that particular chord progression, flip it around, and be as creative as you can to create your own unique sound as a producer. Alright, but before we continue, I need you guys to like and subscribe to the channel. Alright, some of these files are actually going to be free, so follow the instructions below so you could get your free files. Alright, I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace out. Bye. Alright, so let's dive into this. So we're gonna start off with this drum loop. Alright, I just put in a free sample pack that I have on my website. You could just sign up and you get this drum loop automatically in your email. Alright, so let's listen to what it sounds like. It's simple as this. Alright, so what I want to do is I want to add a chord progression to this. So, but before I even start adding my chord progressions, I need to give you guys 2 minutes of your time just so that we can understand simple, basic music theory. Alright, we're just going to do basic, major, and minor chords in the scale of C. Very easy. 2 minutes of your time. Every key has 7 notes inside. Today we're going to take on the key of C, and every chord progression that we're going to do today is going to be in the key of C, okay? So in the key has 7 notes. These notes are C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and back to C. Alright? Simple. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And each of these notes has a number associated to them. So that means a number is attached to them. So in this case, C is 1, D is 2, E is 3, F is 4, G is 5, A is 6, B is 7, and back to C as the 1. Simple as that. Now, the trick to forming a major chord and a minor chord is that in every key, so for example the key of C, the 2 is a minor chord, the 3 is a minor chord, and the 6 is a minor chord. That's in every key. So 2, 3, 6 minor chord. The 1 is a major chord, the F is a major chord, the 1 is a major chord, the 4, which is F in this case, is a major chord, the 5 is a major chord, and the 7 is actually a diminished. But this is not a lesson for that, so for now we're just going to focus on the basics. Now guess what? The most popular progression in the world is 1, 5, 6, 4. Simple. So that means in the key of C it is C, G, A minor, F. Plenty of songs have this chord progression. You may be tired of it, but this is the easiest and the most popular progression to start off if you're just starting off basic music. So let's dive in now. That's been your lesson for basic music theory. Let me show you now how to apply these chord progressions, and if you could just take those same 4 chords and move them around, we could have some beautiful tunes that we could add to our soca music. So let's take on the first chord progression. Alright, so I already created this progression, which is 1, 5, 6, 4, and this again is one of the most popular chord progressions that you will find. So let's listen to what it sounds like with the soca drums. I just added some pads and just a basic bass line. So C, G, A minor, F. Listen to the chord pattern, the pattern. Soca has different patterns that you can use, different strum patterns that you can use to create a different type of mood, a different type of feel for your song. So for this case, I use this particular pattern. Alright? Let's listen to the same 1, 5, 6, 4 chord progression, but this time with another pattern. And let's see what it sounds like. See? We have a track already. Simple, but very effective. So let's try something else now. Let's say you're tired of hearing this song. What if you could just rearrange these chord patterns and create new chord progressions to make your song? So basically you move it around. So this time, instead of starting on the 1, let's say we start on the 5. Let's say we try 5, 6, 1, 5, 4, 1, 6. Let's listen to what we can create. Simple. Let's take a look at another chord progression that we could add. Alright, so we have this one. Let's try this one. So what I did, I changed this one into 4, 1, 6, 5. So which means I started on the F, I did C, A minor, and G. Let's listen to the chord progression. See? Simple as that. All I'm doing is the same 1, 5, 6, 4, but I'm just shuffling it around. I'm just moving the chords around. I'm just rearranging them. Alright? And the last one we're gonna do is 6, 4, 1, 5. So that means my first chord would be A minor, second chord would be F, third chord would be C, and the last chord would be G. Let's listen to what I came up with. So what we came up with what 5 different songs using the exact same chord progression. The first 2 songs, all I did different was just the strum patterns, which I'm going to do on another episode. Right? But my point is, you can use simple chord progressions to create wicked songs. So what happens if we now merge these these multiple chord progressions? Then we could probably have a verse. We could probably use another chord progression in the chorus, or possibly in the bridge. Alright, so let's see what we can come up with if we take 2 different chord progressions and if we merge them. So we'll take the first one, which is the 1, 6, 1, the 6, 4, 1, 5, sorry, this one. So we want this one, and we're gonna merge this one with the other pattern that goes 4, 1, 6, 5. Alright, so we're gonna drag the synth to synth. I'm gonna take chords, put it here. We take the bass and we drag the bass here. Alright, make sure everything is aligned, and let's see what we could come up with 2 of these tracks merged basically. See? See? There you go. could be maybe a breakdown or a pre-chorus or something. So what I showed you there is how we take basic chord progressions, common chord progression, the most popular chord progression in the world, and we made it into a soca. Alright? Do not assume that because these chords are commonly used that you shouldn't be using them, you should try something else. No. Okay? Be creative, be as creative as you can, and use those chord progressions to your advantage. Alright? The simpler your music, the better. Don't forget to check out my website, freesquaredmusic.com. Check out my Carnival Rosé sample pack and my Soca chord structure MIDI chords. Right? That will help you structure a lot of your songs. If you're not too familiar with musical theory, I got you on this one. All you got to do now is just drag and drop those MIDI clips into your DAW, and the chords are already done for you. I will have them sort out by a verse, maybe what you could use as a chorus, maybe what you could use as a bridge. And I'll also separate them into happy chord progressions. Those are the chord progressions that make you feel very nice, and sad chord progressions. So if you want a certain feel to your song, or a certain dark vibe to your song, I got you. Alright, so thank you for my first episode for You Suck at Producing Soca. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Bye.